In a bustling city, there lived a young couple named Sarah and Michael. They met by chance at a crowded cafe, and from that moment their lives forever intertwined. Their love was passionate and intense, filled with laughter and shared dreams. However, life had its own plans for them. Sarah was diagnosed with a serious illness and their world turned upside down. The couple faced numerous setbacks and challenges as they navigated the complexities of her treatment. It was a roller coaster of hope and despair, but their love remained unwavering. Michael became Sarah's pillar of strength, supporting her through every doctor's appointment, every round of treatment, and every moment of uncertainty. He would hold her hand and whisper words of encouragement, reminding her that they were in this together. As the months turned into years, Sarah's condition worsened. It was a heartbreaking setback for both of them, but they refused to let despair consume them. They cherished every moment they had together, making memories that would last a lifetime. During one of Sarah's hospital stays, Michael decided to surprise her with a rooftop picnic under the stars. As they gazed at the night sky, he whispered his deepest emotions, promising to love and cherish her forever. It was a moment of pure vulnerability and raw emotion, reminding them of the power of their love. Despite the setbacks and the pain, Sarah and Michael never lost hope. They found solace in each other's arms, drawing strength from their love. They taught everyone around them the true meaning of resilience and the importance of cherishing every precious moment. Sadly, Sarah's illness eventually took her away from this world. Michael was devastated, but he knew that their love would live in forever. He honored her memory by starting a foundation in her name, dedicated to helping others facing similar challenges. So, through their love story, Sarah and Michael inspired countless people to cherish their loved ones and never take a single moment for granted. Their journey was filled with setbacks, but their love won over every obstacle, leaving an indelible mark on the world. So, my dear friends, remember that love is not immune to setbacks and challenges. It's how we navigate through those difficult times that truly define our relationships. Hold on to love with all your might, even in the face of adversity, and let it guide you towards a brighter future.